The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the CBI regarding Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's pleas. Kejriwal is seeking bail and challenging the Delhi High Court's order that upheld his arrest by the CBI. This arrest is part of an ongoing investigation into a corruption case related to the alleged excise policy scam. The Supreme Court has requested the CBI to respond to these pleas by 23 August, setting a crucial deadline for the case. However, in a decisive move, the court has refused to grant interim bail to Kejriwal at this stage. The legal battle continues as the court reviews the case, and all eyes are now on the forthcoming response from the CBI and the next steps in this high-profile legal saga. In Kolkata, a powerful demonstration has erupted as BJP workers take a stand against a shocking and brutal crime that has rocked the city. The protest is centered around a recent incident of rape and murder that took place at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, one of the city's prominent medical institutions. The incident, which has sent waves of anger and disbelief through the community, involves a grievous crime that has left the city in mourning and sparked widespread outrage. The victim, a young woman associated with the hospital, was reportedly subjected to a violent and brutal assault, culminating in her tragic death. In response to the gravity of the situation, BJP workers and supporters gathered in large numbers to voice their condemnation of the crime. Jaipur witnessed a unique celebration of patriotism led by the city's police force. In a powerful display of unity and national pride, the Jaipur police conducted a Tiranga Yatra, this time with a thrilling twist, a bike rally. Officers, astride their motorcycles, proudly carried the tricolour as they rode through the bustling streets of the Pink City. The roar of the engines and the sight of the Indian flag flying high created an electrifying atmosphere, inspiring onlookers and filling the air with a sense of patriotism. This rally wasn't just a show of strength, it was a moving tribute to the spirit of independence, a reminder of the freedom that was hard-won and must be fiercely protected. With every turn of the wheels, the Jaipur police demonstrated their commitment to the nation, showcasing the discipline and dedication that define their service. The bike rally was not just a spectacle, it was a symbol of the unbreakable bond between the protectors of the city and the values represented by the tricolour. As the officers rode through Jaipur's iconic streets, their message was clear: the spirit of Independence Day lives in each of us, and it's carried forward by the brave men and women who serve our nation with honor and pride. You've heard of the law of the jungle, but Gujarat has just delivered a truly unique showdown. CCTV cameras captured an extraordinary scene, a dramatic clash between two brave dogs and two powerful lions right in a Gujarat neighborhood. The footage reveals an intense face-off where the dogs, with unwavering courage, confront the formidable lions. The lions' thunderous roars and the dogs' fearless stance create an unforgettable spectacle that's both thrilling and awe-inspiring. Witness the raw power and daring of nature in this incredible encounter, where courage meets might in a battle for dominance. The vibrant spirit of patriotism is sweeping across the nation, echoing through every town and village. In the serene region of Rafiabad, Baramulla, this spirit took on a vivid form in the shape of a 2.5 kilometers long Tiranga rally. The streets of Rafiabad came alive as people from all walks of life gathered, united under the tricolour. The rally, stretching for an impressive 2.5 kilometers, was a powerful display of unity and national pride, with the Indian flag held high, waving proudly in the breeze. Men, women, and children marched together, their hearts filled with pride, as they celebrated the freedom and the values that define our nation. This Tiranga rally was more than just a procession, it was a heartfelt tribute to the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, a reminder of the strength in our unity, and a pledge to safeguard the hard-won independence we cherish. As the rally wound through the streets of Baramulla, the sight of the tricolour unfurling over such a distance was a stirring reminder of the resilience and hope that resides in every Indian heart. The people of Rafiabad, with this rally, sent a resounding message: the spirit of Independence Day is alive and thriving in every corner of our country. As India prepares to celebrate its 77th Independence Day, the serene landscapes of Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district are witnessing heightened security measures. Across this region, security forces are leaving no stone unturned. In a proactive move to ensure the safety of residents and visitors alike, they are conducting rigorous security checks on vehicles, scrutinizing every detail. From the bustling streets to the quieter corners of the district, these checks are a part of a broader strategy to prevent any potential threats. Every car, every passenger is being meticulously examined, as authorities work around the clock to maintain peace and order during this significant national celebration. The district of Rajouri, like many others in Jammu and Kashmir, has been a focal point of intense security efforts. With the memory of past challenges still fresh, these precautions are not just necessary, they are crucial. As the nation gears up for the festivities, the vigilant eyes of the security forces remain focused on their duty, ensuring that Independence Day is celebrated with the joy and pride it rightfully deserves, in a safe and secure environment.